Hi guys, you're welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Onyi. I do a lot of natural hair care videos and hair growth tips. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your own hair butter. Hair butters are good moisturizers, and our ingredient for today is ginger. You all know ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help with scalp condition. So first of all, I have peeled my ginger, washed it, and I'm dicing it into small chunks. This is to prepare it for blending. So after dicing my ginger into small chunks, I will transfer them into my blender. The quantity of ginger you will use for this treatment, you can look at what I have, the quantity that I've diced, and estimate what you need. You can add more ginger depending on the quantity of butter you want to make. So I have transferred my ginger into the blender. Next, the oil I'll be using for my butter is extra virgin oil. I am going to take 100 ml of this oil and transfer it into the ginger. Olive oil is very good for your hair. It has a lot of benefits. It's a good conditioner that helps your scalp to shine. At this point, I'm blending my ginger. I'll blend it properly because you know it's a root and you need a good blender for this. After blending my ginger, I'll transfer it into my frying pan and I will fry on low heat. It is important to fry on low heat so that your ginger will cook properly and turn golden brown. The color you should have at the end is golden brown. Cook on low heat so that your ginger will cook properly and your butter will not spoil at the end of the day. If you have watched till this point, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell. So my ginger is ready. I'll keep this aside to cool. Guys, our next ingredient for this treatment is shea butter. I do not have much shea butter at the moment, so I'll be using what I have. I'll transfer this into my bowl and transfer into a boiling water. You can use more than this, but this is what I have. So I'll transfer the shea butter into a boiling water. I will cover it and leave it to dissolve. Guys, our ginger has cooled and I'm transferring it into my wig cap. Look how it's looking. It's looking so yummy, like a scrambled egg. I don't know, I like scrambled eggs. So guys, I've transferred everything. Yes, I have enough ginger. I hope I'm going to get enough oil from this. So I'll squeeze the oil out into my bowl. That is what I am doing. I will squeeze everything out. I'll squeeze all the oil out. This oil is already very good for your hair. You can use this oil, apply it on your scalp. If you are having itchy scalp, if you are having a bald spot, this ginger oil is very good for your hair. You can add your essential oil into it and use it for your hair. Our oil is ready. Look, oh god. So next, our shea butter has dissolved and I will transfer it into the ginger oil. Look what the mixture looks like. Wow. So this is so nice. I will go in with 1 tablespoon of my extra virgin oil and also 1 tablespoon of my castor oil. You know, castor oil is very good for your hair. Castor oil is also one good oil that you should always have for hair growth. I will add 1 capsule or more of my vitamin E. I will turn everything together and I will transfer it into my mixing bowl. I will put this in the refrigerator and let it solidify for 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'll bring it out and mix. Guys, I lost a very important part of this video and I am so sorry about that. I thought my camera was on, but it was not on. At this point, I have started mixing it when I pulled it out of the refrigerator. But this is my butter and it still turns out very good and I am very, very excited about it. I wanted to show you all what it looked like when I pulled it out of the refrigerator, but it just solidified and I put in my mixer and started mixing. It lasted for 15 to 20 minutes, 15 minutes thereabout in the refrigerator. So guys, I have mixed and whisked everything. I mixed it very well, thoroughly, and this is what our butter looks like. So I am going to transfer this into my storage cup, and I will show you guys how I'm going to apply this to my hair. So I'm transferring everything. The butter is not that much, but I'm going to use this at least for 2 weeks thereabout. I will transfer everything I have in that bowl. I do not want to lose any part of it. So guys, this is our butter. It looks so like a nice spread, like something you can just spread on your bread and eat. It turned out better than I expected. God, where have I been? How did I not know that I needed a butter for my hair? I can make my own butter. I don't always have to use shea butter or mango, but look at it. It's so nice. So I spread it into the container. I wanted it to look beautiful for pictures, and so I turned it into this. Wow, I love it, guys. It feels so soft and very good, like a nice spread for the hair. Like my hair is so going to enjoy this. So guys, next I'm going to show you how I'll be applying this to my hair. I parted my hair into 4 sections. I will walk into my hair, through my hair with this butter. I will be taking it in smaller parts and I will apply the butter into it. After applying it, I will massage it gently. It is important, like I've always told you, to massage your hair when you apply treatment. So before applying this, I did wet my hair and I am using this to seal in the moisture. So your butter is good for sealing in your moisture. Always wet your hair. Use your spray. You can use your onion spray or any other spray that you have. Spray it on your hair, your rice water, and seal in the moisture. If you use rice water, you know you have to wash out in the morning. If you use your onion spray, you can remove the smell of the onion spray and then leave it for the for as long as you want. So this is a daily moisturizer. You can use this when you have your protective styles, your cornrows. Hair moisturizers are very good for your hair. Hair butters are very good for your hair. Hair butter will help to reduce dryness. They are good moisturizers for your hair. So guys, I really loved the outcome of this treatment, and if you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, kindly share this video with your family and friends. I love you. Bye. See you in my next video.